Why invest in target maturity funds? Does target maturity funds gain profits? We have our industry expert Mr. Chintan Herrera with us. Chintan, help us gain more insights on target maturity funds.
From an investor standpoint, we do believe 2023 is a great year for debt. Interest rates, because of rise in inflation globally and rise in interest rates globally, interest rates in India have also gone up. And the mutual funds being passed through instruments have seen actually the reflection of higher interest rates by virtue of the YTMs, the yield to maturity of the funds going up as well. So debt is a good instrument. Within debt, apart from the credit risk funds and the all seasons bond funds, the target maturity date funds. What are target maturity date funds for those who are not aware or those who may not know? These are essentially index funds or passive funds generally, which have a portfolio of corporate bonds, state development loans, or government securities put together in a particular proportion, where you know that the target maturity date, let's say, is September 2027. You have a 3.5-year horizon. And you know today that if I hold till 2027, based on the current valuations of the papers, I will make about 7.3, 7.4%, and then there's an expense ratio of 15 basis points. So in some sense, target maturity date papers or target maturity funds provide you with outlook towards the end date of that particular investment, the yield that you may get, rough idea, and you don't have to worry about the underlying papers because those underlying papers are also defined. You know that this is the SDL, this is the paper that is gone. So transparency of where your money is going, transparency of how long your money is going to stay, and transparency of how much you will make on that money is what makes target maturity funds. And it's a growing field. Almost 1.5 lakh crores of investor money is already in target maturity funds.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.